Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here today. I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Alright, what I have to share with you today is the best way to accumulate Tron. The best way to accumulate Tron. Tron is a cryptocurrency which majority of crypto users we are familiar with. Earn 6% daily. Earn 6% daily on the Tron that you have. So this is a way whereby you can enjoy 6% return on investment on your deposited Tron with a company called Tron.Tel business. So I'm going to review this investment platform called Tron.Tel. I'm going to review this platform in this video. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the very end to know how to go about it. So you are getting free 1000 TRX. You are getting free 1000 Tron coins to start. So this is a huge opportunity for you to accumulate Tron coin. As for now, start any online now. So this is an opportunity for you to start any online because it has been proven that there are several ways whereby you can make money online, and in which this one might be one of the ones that you might have been waiting for. But before I go deeper in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Okay, LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment, how you can make residual income, how you can generate passive income, how you can be financially free, secured and settled. And also it is created to share with you to warn you of some fraudulent online investments so that you are not going to venture into such and lose your hard-earned money. For that reason, if you have an investment platform that you are contemplating to join, feel free to forward it to me for a review. I promise you my sincere review and my recommendation, so which can serve as a basis for your own decision, because you need to be responsible for your action. LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is all about financial education and not for financial advice. So if you are new on this channel, or if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and set it to all notifications so that you'll be continually aware or get notified whenever I upload new video or whenever I have new updates to share with you on a discussed content. Okay, and also if after you have watched this video you found out it's very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves, because it can be the information that many has been waiting patiently for their financial transformation and breakthrough. All right, once again, what we are considering today is the best way to accumulate Tron coin. Earn 6% daily. Tron.Tel business review. Free 1000 Tron coins to start any online now. All right, so I have some little right up here to read. Okay, so about the Tron.Tel company, and I want to tell you something about the Tron cryptocurrency. Tron cryptocurrency is built on a Tron protocol. Tron token is a cryptocurrency that is built on a Tron protocol. It's like building Ethereum, ETH on the Ethereum blockchain and so on. So the Tron cryptocurrency was created as a way to share, pay and store credits. So Tron is a widely known cryptocurrency which has a higher tendency, it has the affinity of increasing in price in a very short period of time. So, and it's still very small in price, still very low in price now. So it's an opportunity for you to earn more, to accumulate more Tron coin. Nobody knows how much it can worth in the nearest future. So this is the better time for you to accumulate as many as possible. So let me take you to the platform for more other information. Alright, so this is the platform. It is called Tron.Tel. So whenever you register, you will be given 1000 Tron coin. 1000 Tron coin as your welcoming bonus. So the name of the Tron is Tron.Tel. You'll be given 1000 Tron coin as a welcoming bonus. So what you just need to do is to deposit the minimum of 5 Tron just to activate your account. 5 Tron coin TRX will be needed to activate your account, and now on daily basis you earn 6%. You earn 6% on your total Tron that has been deposited. For instance, now I am having 6% of what I have. 6% of what I have there is now 71.23, which I'm going to claim now in this video. So the total Tron coin that I have here is 1187.2. So my profit for today is 71.23. Whenever I click on receive now, it will be automatically added to my total deposit. So I'm going to click on the receive now so that you can see. Okay, so now let me check what I have now. So you can see the 71 Tron coin has been added to my balance. So I have 1258.43 Tron coin. So this is how to go about it. So in the description box of this video, I'm going to drop the link for you to get registered, and also I will drop the Telegram channel of the company so that you can have more information from their admin. No matter the question, whatever question that you have to ask, you can ask them and they are going to reply you swiftly. So this is a company that you can give a trial. So and you earn little percentage, you earn a percentage on every referral that you bring to this business. So that is just for compensation of your work done. So you earn 6%. Now let's do the calculation. If you have 10,000 Tron coin deposited here, 6% of that will be $600. 600 coin on daily basis, and you can still compound it. So the compound is working here. So this can be a way whereby you can accumulate Tron coin. For now, you can see what I have now, starting from so you can see what I have right now. I have 1258.43, which is equivalent to $132. What if Tron coin is sold for $1 per coin in the nearest future? That means I will be having $1,258, and it is very possible because of the nature of cryptocurrency, which is volatility. You know, cryptocurrency is very volatile. It's easily appreciates in price, and also it falls in price. But right now, we are experiencing a bearish market. So at any point in time, cryptocurrency can increase greatly in price. Even Tron coin can get to like $1 in a very short period of time. So I think this is the best time for you to accumulate as many as possible. Just check the description box of this video for the registration link, and also join the Telegram channel of this company to know more about this company. This is Tron.Tel. And you'll be required to have deposit $5 TRX, the minimum of 5 TRX to activate your 1000 TRX that has been given to you. So that is what you are required to do. Activate your account with 5 TRX. So that is how it's gonna be. So it is very easy and very straightforward. When you can withdraw your TRX whenever you feel like. Okay, so this is where I'm going to stop for today. In my subsequent video on Tron.Tel, I'm going to give you more analysis. I'm going to give you more breakdown on how the company is and how you can make money on daily basis with this particular company. So till then, thank you so much for watching this video, and once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is very important. It is very important. And if you have any question, you can message me through this WhatsApp number or through my email here. And also you can send me a message through the comment box of this video. Okay, and don't forget once again to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do that. Click on the notification bell and share with your friends and family, and also give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you so much once again for watching this video, and have a nice time ahead. Till the next video, I love you all, and bye for now.